Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on crypto.com with a credit card. First, ensure you have the crypto.com app installed and your account is fully verified. This typically involves identity checks and can take a few minutes to complete. Once verified, you're ready to link your payment method. This method offers a straightforward way to get started with digital assets, making it accessible for many users. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open the crypto.com app and tap the Buy button on the home screen. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount. Next, you'll see an option to add a new credit or debit card. Input your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Remember, some banks might flag these transactions, so it's wise to inform them beforehand if you anticipate issues. After entering your card details, you'll see a summary of your purchase, including the exchange rate and any fees. Crypto.com typically charges a small fee, often around 2.99% for credit card transactions. Double-check all the information, then confirm the purchase using your app passcode or fingerprint. The cryptocurrency should appear in your crypto.com wallet within moments, ready for you to manage or trade. Before making a purchase, ensure your credit card is enabled for international online transactions, as some banks may block them by default. Also, be mindful of any daily or monthly purchase limits imposed by crypto.com or your card issuer. These can vary. Always review the total cost, including fees, to understand the final amount you're paying. This easy method provides a quick entry point into the crypto market for many users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.